You want to wear a mic so people can hear you?
Sure. Do I have to hit this button or anything?
No. Yeah, you got a blue light, right?
Yep.
Mine's blue. So I think that means we're mic'd up.
It is blue.
Mic check. Mic check. Mic check.
Check. 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2.
All right. Well, I'm gonna swing this liner in. If you could just hold the box for me. I don't know how I'm gonna do it with a mic on though.
Get some brushing.
And a shirt on. You haven't seen me wear this hat in a few videos, have you?
I haven't seen that. I haven't seen you wearing the hat.
Well, I started
here.
yeah. I've started wearing. In some old videos, I was wearing this hat because I was inspired by Swimming Pool Steve.
Yeah.
Then I realized
The
that Swimming
CNN
Pool
man.
Steve doesn't like me, so.
He's too famous.
You might be onto something there, buddy.
He's too famous.
All right, let's see. Oh, crushing my mic. That was not very graceful.
She's a heavy one.
Really what it was, I was trying not to damage the mic. We're gonna drop a liner. Well, actually, I already dropped a liner. Mama fed him. My mama said.
Yeah, she just fade him.
My mama said. Well, I'm gonna feed some stair rods.
Yeah, I'll get you the duct tapes. Duck squares.
Duck squares. That's what my wife named them. She named them duck squares. For ducktails.
Duck squares. Woo!
Yeah.
Like
That was a good show.
Like DuckTales. And I remember
I used to
DuckTales.
watch that show like almost every morning.
Yeah, I remember that. They even had a movie.
DuckTales the movie?
Yeah.
Huh. It can't be as good as Masters of the Universe, though.
No. No shot.
Yeah, I didn't think so. I didn't think so. Well, at least the stair on the top step is made for a 6-inch radius. That's good.
That's good.
You always want to check that right away. I mean, I'm not going to lie, dude. There's been times where, like, you open the liner up and you're like,
This does not
that's
look right.
not right.
This does not look right.
Hey, Jesse, can you check the print?
We need a new liner.
Did I measure that for a 6-inch radius? Every now and then.
It happens.
Well, I shouldn't say every now and then, but
Once in
I
a
want to say
while.
once or twice it's happened over. Yeah. Do you like this liner?
No, not really.
Between you and I, this is probably one of my least.
Yeah, the tile pattern. I like that celestial sand one.
Yeah. Remember that fiberglass pool that we measured?
Yeah, John did it, right?
Yeah. But he said the liner. He said the liner fit pretty good.
That's pretty crazy.
I was like, no way. I was like, how is that even possible?
Measured it
That's got to be
good.
the water truck.
If it is, he's early, man. It's nowhere near 5.
Well, I don't know, man. I mean, Jesse wasn't even like getting a hold of me to like talk about like, you know, the water.
Yeah.
You know, it's tough when you come up here,
Right.
you know.
Later in the
I
day.
don't know if you have groundwater. I mean, honestly, dude, that sounds like the water truck.
It does sound like a water truck.
He's like, oh, I'll just come early and jam up there. Jam them.
And start yelling at him. Hurry up. I gotta go home.
We're not for rent.
No rentals.
Yeah. That's something I'll never forget. The time the water truck driver told us that he wasn't for rent.
No rentals.
I was like, all right, bro.
We are for rent.
Like, all right, bro. Whatever you say, bro. Slack on. Slack off. Slack on, slack off. The slack. Buddy, an acorn fell in behind the liner.
Oh.
Hey, are both of those lights still blue?
Yep.
Heh.
They're blue. TX1.
And it's a square, right? Not a circle? The red?
Yeah.
So we're
Yeah.
recording. Numbers are going up, time's going up.
1305, 1308,
Nice, buddy.
1310.
Things are working. Things are working. Yeah, I definitely have not worn this hat in well over a year.
Yeah, you haven't worn it since I started. I know that.
He says, swimming pool, Steve, too big. Nice. He's one part. That's where he is. Close to 100,000 subs. Maybe once he gets there, maybe he'll help me get there. Who knows? Hey, thanks for taking all the old duct tape off those vac hoses.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate that a lot. You're gonna get trapped in there, little ant. I'm surprised how nice those stairs fit.
Beautiful.
That was like snap, crackle, pop.
Beautiful.
Ain't that right, honey?
Beautiful. Honey.
I accidentally called John honey this morning. He cracked me up though, man.
Yeah.
I was like, oh no, I gotta call him right away.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I was like, this guy freaked out. He decided to call me right so fast. Be like, I did not mean that.
John, I did not mean to call you honey. It was spell check. How'd we do? I think we're gonna change hats for the next segment. It's enough swimming pool Steve hats. Like I said, swimming pool Steve doesn't like me anyway.
Swimming pool Steve?
I shouldn't say that he doesn't like me. He just never responds to any of my comments.
He might be a busy man. Most content creators don't respond to everybody. You're a rare breed.
Listen, I get every notification, dude. Every single notification.
You're a rare breed, man. Most people don't respond to everybody.
That's not true.
I don't know, man.
A lot of them will at least like hit the like button or the heart button.
I don't know. I've left a lot of comments on YouTube videos, and I'd say 90% of the time, they never get anything.
Well, let me
No likes, nothing.
let me change the angle of the camera. Something like that. Does that look good to you, John?
That's probably a good angle.
Thanks for the support, buddy. We're 30 minutes deep right now. I'll make sure to cut out all the boring parts.
Bore. This vacuum looks brand new, man.
Yeah. All right, man, we got to make sure that we don't sag into this sand when we're pulling.
Yeah.
But we're on the home stretch, John. You gotta make noises like that, you know what I'm saying? Everything's gotta be like over exaggerated. Ready? Go fast, go fast. Nice, buddy, that was nice. I guess the water truck could come now and it would be all right.
Where are you, water man?
I guess I was off an hour. I told them between 4
I
and
know what
5.
time it is. 3:40.
I swear I hear it. I've been hearing that darn water truck
Yeah.
like long time.
Big old truck, long time.
I've been hearing that water truck long time.
Long time.
Well, I don't know who measured it, but
They did a good job.
apparently it wasn't me. John, no knee pads?
No knee pads.
I would like everybody at this moment in time to yell at John for not having knee pads.
No need
He
that.
refuses to wear the extra pair of knee pads that I have in the truck because it has Steve got a pool sweat on it, and he doesn't want to.
I wore them once. They were actually pretty nice.
The ones with my sweat on it?
Yeah. I
Oh.
wore them at that East Lyme job that we pressure tested like 4 times.
Okay. Did
That's
they
pretty
just
nice.
get too sweaty?
No, I wore them because the sand and all the stones were killing my knees.
Oh.
And it actually felt really good.
Oh.
And I was like, I can see why these guys wear knee pads.
Yeah, I don't know. I never used to, believe it or not, dude.
Yeah.
But then one day I was just like, oh, that hurts.
Yeah. And then you put them on and never turn back.
Yeah.
To let you know, the
Oh.
water guy just called me.
You scared me.
Sorry, sorry about that. The water guy just called me and said he's on his way.
Perfect.
Awesome.
That's better than canceling on us.
Yeah, right. So it's just had to let you know he's on his way. So
That sounds like it's going to be perfect timing.
Very nice.
that's good.
Yeah.
Sure.
You really did scare me.
Yeah, he did come on.
I
time.
was like, oh.
I didn't even see him come up. No, there's some
About
decks though that I would definitely want knee pads.
4 inches away on my arrow. Spacing my arrows. Spacing my arrows. Yeah, this was probably 3, maybe 4. I might need your help on a little yanker here, buddy. We can just hold it right there. Let it go back. The correct terminology is snap back.
Snap back.
Snap back. Like a red back.
Red back.
I'll do this one by myself.
All right.
I'll show you how strong I am.
Strong like a bull.
Yeah. I'm gonna pull it and then clip it in with one hand. See? How'd I do?
She looks good.
Yeah.
A hook.
What?
Captain Hook.
Captain Hook
Captain Hook.
or Captain Crook?
Hook.
Do you know who Captain Crook is?
I don't think so.
Look it up, man. You can actually Google Captain Crook and you'll find out who it is. Hey, if you want, I'll finish that one.
Okay.
Would this be the good angle for the camera, or should I maybe do something from like the deep end now?
Let's take a peek.
Or do you think, I mean, that's a pretty decent shot,
That's pretty
right?
good. Yeah, you'll get.
You can see
I mean,
every-
the deep end might be better when you're scooting it, but this gets both vacs in it and everything.
Yeah. I'm not really a fan of putting vacs in the shallow end when there's a sand bottom.
Okay.
I think I'm just gonna cheat that over a little bit.
All right.
I had it one time where it sucked
All the sand
the
up.
sand around the whole perimeter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And left a little moat.
What?
Left a little moat.
Oh, a moat. That's like a ditch?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Like-
exactly what
Like
happened.
around the castle.
Yeah. Yeah. That's exactly what happened, dude.
Fill it up with alligators.
And it was weird because I couldn't believe it. I was like,
Yeah.
you gotta be kidding me.
It's pretty crazy.
But luckily I was the one that noticed it.
Got
So,
it fixed in time.
so I was the one to be able to fix it too.
Nice.
This is a nice brand new vac, buddy.
Yeah, I was like, this has to be new.
But it's marked number 3 as if
It's because that thing wasn't broken at all, where you put the hose on.
the 3?
Yeah, because every other one's broken, you know, pretty much.
Yeah, I know, because people freaking have no respect for
They're all
these things and they
cracked
just
and
throw them in the
everything.
trucks, which
Brandy
is very
new.
sad. It's sad when your boss takes, he'll bend over backwards for people, you know what I mean? But nobody respects his stuff.
Yeah.
And that's very.
That's usually how it goes at places of employment.
And I'm not saying everybody's like that, but I've seen evidence of that over
Yeah.
the years,
Yeah.
where it's just blatant disrespect, of items.
Yep.
And I'm not saying that people are purposely disrespectful with these vacs.
Yeah, they're
I
in a
doubt they're
rush or
doing it on
something.
purpose. Maybe they don't realize that when you throw something in the back of the truck, it's gonna break, you know?
Gonna break the plastic.
You never know. Can't assume that everybody knows everything.
Can't be too rough with it. She's a precious girl.
I just hate it only because it ultimately affects what
Your
we're
job.
doing when we have faulty equipment sometimes. I'm actually very happy the water guy's coming soon.
Yeah.
Hopefully they pull vacs.
Well, somebody's coming up here tomorrow.
Buddy, if you want to just tuck that little piece in where the vac was to your left, and then I'll scooch this back for the set it and forget it.
Said it.
Ronco rotisserie oven. All right, buddy, I'm pulled back. Flip that switch. Thank you. It might get a little loud. And if it gets a little loud, I'm sorry. Basically, I just want to show you that we started that one vac, which I like. Then I can kind of go around and just kind of do a little preliminary kick on the wrinkles. And then once it's sucking really hard, I can start that second. Go ahead, buddy. It's sucking really good. Nice fitting liner. Oh shoot, shut it all down, buddy. Shut everything down. We got 6 feet of liner out over there. That's my bad, buddy.
Got it.
I'll resort back to the footage that shows that I forgot that area.
Right.
Yeah. I'm gonna give my hand. Take some of that. Got baby hands.
Started from the corner.
Here, buddy, step out of the way and let the big dog get in there.
Let the big dog eat.
Let the big dog eat. I'll have to resort to the footage to see what happened there. I thought
What went wrong?
All right, buddy, hit that one again. Just a one for now. But like I said, it's always, every time you hit the vacs, it's like the first thing you check. Yep. Is the liner in? Is it coming out anywhere?
Barely.
Barely. So just kind of creep in a little bit. All right, honey? Come on, this way, honey. All right, we're out of here. We did this liner. We got to check the liner with Big Red. There's nothing to cut in, no main drains, no lights. Water's on its way. Pull my swimming pool Steve hat back on.